What's up, guys? This is Jarius again. With another Watch Dogs video. Alright, let's go. I've been trying to get in this building for a long time, but can't find a way in. I tried everything. I tried putting the car over there and hopping here. Tried that. What's this? Dirt bike some motorcycles. Yay, dirt bike. Just a one. I should try driving. Let's see something real quick. I think I know how to do this. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Oh, snap! No! Dang, but that backflip though. You know how sweet I gotta do that backflip? I mean that front flip. Hit him with a backflip. Come on, backflip time. Oh, but that front flip, damn. Nigga got cracked. And he did got cracked too. But that backflip though. Ooh. I got a little bit of money. And Oreo, you a hoe. A ho. But that backflip though. Yeah. Oh. Red one. I love red. Fuck you, this ain't ready to break it. And I think I lost it. Oh, it's right there. Yeah. Hit you with them cobras. Oh, I know what to do. Another dirt bike? Oh, no. Fuck you, nigga. I don't want no ravioli, nigga. Spartan! Scar. Oh, that trail. Damn, son. Oh, skirt. Yeah. Watch Dogs. No. Bitch. Watch the show. Working like a wrecking ball. I know when you was a little girl. J's on my feet. Yo, guess what I got on my feet? I got J's on my... What the fuck is doing? Robot with guns. Oh shit, J's on my feet. J's on my feet. Run! Oh shit! Damn. Nigga about to go sleep and shit. I'm going to die.